Hi guys, welcome back to Rush's Fun Activities. Today this is a tutorial how to make a paper plane. So you will need the only one item, two items, paper and your hands. Of course, you always need hands. I just including that for no reason. Okay, let's get started. So first, you take your paper and then fold it in half, like this, okay? Not like this, like this. Fold it in half. Wait a minute. I'll just show you this. Like this, fold it in half, then open it again. Then next you fold this in half. Wait, you fold this, take this part, and then fold it over here like this. Then next, do the other one, same there. Next step is you fold it like this. Then next is you fold it again like this. Then remember I said you need your hands for this? Well, you do. You see this corner? You will rip it. Wait a minute, it's too thick. Okay. There. See the corner strip. Any size but not too big. Then unfold it. The next thing is you fold it and like this again. Then same as this too. Like this. See? Like that. And once it's like this, you see this part over here? You fold that up there. Next step is this paper, you fold it in half. You fold it in half. This paper, you fold it in the half. Like this, see? Like this. It's supposed to look like this. Next step is you take this part and fold it up to here. Up to here, see? Up to this part, fold that thing up there. Up to there. Fold it. There. See? Like this. Then do it on the other side. There's also a trick to turn this perfectly. So, there. Like this. And you're done with your paper airplane. See? But look at this. Then you throw it up. Wait a minute. Look at this. Wait, see, not enough power. See, it's soaring. See, it's soaring. It's soaring, see? It almost landed in my trash can. Well, that's how you make your own paper airplane. Like and subscribe. Thanks for saying like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.